Hello, welcome to Proflojo. This is your welcome screen. As you get a clean new application of Proflojo, your software wouldn't have these, but mine has because I've been playing on it for some time. The first thing that you would have to do is add your colleagues as your fellow users. So how do you do that? Click on this, come to security, click again on it. You're left two tasks here. One is manage roles, the other is manage users. Though you would have to add users, I think it's better if you understand roles first before going into adding users. So how do you do this? This is put alphabetically. Unfortunately, the computer lists it alphabetically. How it actually pans out is super user is the most powerful. He has these powers. Across the line, you can add everything. You can add users, do everything. Roles, you can do anything. Manage settings, you can do anything. Say add clients, that's what everyone would have to do, so you would obviously have it. Say add templates, you would have the power. Supposing you come to another role. The next most important role is administrator, and the lowest in the ranks is manager. So we'll see what power a manager has. A manager would not have the power to add users or roles or manage settings, but he will have power to add clients, because obviously that's one of his roles. Templates, organization, code list, he wouldn't have the power. So his power is limited to the bottom three. So now we come to adding a user. How do you add a user? Click on this button. As you can see, I have added a lot of users. What you do is come here and click on this. So I add a user called, let's say, Sridhar. Dot. Let's say this is an existing user. So I just click here. He has his own ID. So the moment he is already registered with the, so he is not registered. So I just add him here at add new user. Had he been registered, what would have happened is he would have come here as existing user. Supposing V Raghavan is not an existing user, I can add Shansat transadvisory.com. So the moment I add him, his detail comes, because he is an existing user in Proflojo but not in my license. He is in some other license. So the existing details just come up. I can add him as a super user, administrator, or as a manager. I'll add him as a manager and then click on save. It tells me I have not told him what kind of user he would be. He is to be an internal user. Right now we have removed the other two, external user and client, and being a beta version we have kept it as internal user. So I now save. Though it asks for the password thing came, it wouldn't ask for password because he already has a password. Supposing I now have to add a new user. The new user could be somebody like, I'll try the same person I tried adding last time. Or I'll add my wife as a new user. So no, she has a thing. So I would add vraghavan@gmail.com. He is my share broker. So I add him as a new user. His full name is Veera Raghavan. Yes, initial is yes. Phone number is, for the moment I'll take it as yes, the right phone number is 984098794. He is an internal user because we have removed the rest. I don't want to add who he reports to. I'll add a standard password. And assign him the role of a manager and then save. Username already exists, so I just removed because this is an example. I'll do one thing. I will add my Gmail ID. I should Sridhar. So the name is Sridhar Krishna. My phone number is I leave the password, I leave the manager here, and I say. So it checks with me whether the details are right. I say yes, the details are right. I could have clicked cancel, it would have gone back there and I would have corrected it. So I added two users, one is an existing user, the other is a new user, Aswat.Sridhar. The other one was Shanmugam that I added. The two are appearing. Thank you. This is how you add users.